It's a well-known fact that the major contributor towards fire accidents today is short circuit. Consider large facilities such as factories, hospitals, hotels, etc. that are equipped with a wide variety of electrical equipment. On one hand, these facilitate several daily processes, while on the other, they pose a greater threat in the form of a short circuit. 6 minutes. That's all the time it takes for a spark to transform into a raging fire, one that cannot be tamed or contained. While portable fire extinguishers on the premises show resistance in a fire situation, the reality is that in most cases, their limited firefighting capacity does not allow them to put out the flames. With time at an essence, one can't gamble on help arriving in time, especially in a situation when fear and confusion mount and sheer panic leading to people incapable of fighting the flames. The need of the hour is a technological revolution in firefighting, a product that requires practically no training to handle, activation time of mere seconds, and the power to fight fire for longer till it's completely extinguished. That's where the Ceasefire Plus comes in. A plus-size stored pressure powder, water and foam extinguisher, the kind of which has never been seen in India. Here's all you need to know about the Ceasefire Plus. Highly mobile and quick to activate due to its trolley-mounted design and stored pressure technology. The Plus is literally a mini fire engine that can protect the entire premises. Unlike most large-sized trolley-based extinguishers that take time to activate, this revolutionary product is designed to engage at the simple turn of a valve, powered by monoammonium phosphate MAP 90. The highest form of ABC powder used for firefighting. The Ceasefire Plus can instantly battle ABC as well as electric fires with ease. What's more, the Plus is also available as a water or foam system, making it the most effective plus-sized system in the country. This revolutionary stored pressure system, the first ever in India, is so easy to use. It requires practically no training at all. This means that the first person at the scene of the fire can take firefighting into their own hands, saving precious time. The Ceasefire Plus was built to take on large fires quickly and easily. These MAP 90 powered systems are available in 25 kg, 50 kg and 75 kg variants, ensuring that there's enough firefighting power to take on the flames and extinguish them completely. The Plus is also available in 50-litre water and 50-litre foam variants. But no matter the size, at the end of the day, the Ceasefire Plus is built for quick action. Propped on wheels, the Ceasefire Plus can easily be rushed to the scene of the fire without wasting any time. Let's look at some key features and benefits of the Ceasefire Plus. Easy to use with quick activation. Fights Class A, B, C and electric fires. Available in MAP 90, water and foam variants. Easy snap safety seal. Maintenance by mere observation of the pressure gauge. Controllable discharge mechanism. Rubber hose pipe meets international standards. Trolley mounted extinguisher. Mini fire engine on wheels. Every extinguisher is hydrostatic pressure tested. The Ceasefire Plus is ideal for any large premises because it knows no limits when it comes to fire protection. It can be used in wooden godowns, sheds and furniture because with the large quantity of wood around, fires spread at breakneck speed. Garments, godowns and paper storage facilities because material and paper can catch fire in seconds. Large office, factories and commercial buildings to quell large fires. Petrol pumps, oil storage and fuel storage areas for fires involving fuel can get out of control in no time. What's more, it allows firefighting without getting near the blaze. Malls, because each day it cannot open for business due to damage means serious losses. Cinemas and parking lots in closed areas which have few exits and a lot of people. Hotels top the list on fire hazards with the high occupancy of people, expensive interiors, modern electric utilities and continuous kitchen operations. Residential societies, where it adds to the safety and prestige of new residential projects. Schools, because with hundreds of children on the premises, every minute wasted could mean lives lost. The Plus is the answer the country has been looking for against fires. It's literally a mini fire engine for India.